Hi, welcome to week 1. This week is all about technical SEO. See, when it comes to search engine optimization, most people think that it's either related to keywords or it's related to backlink building. Yes, that's true. Those are two important factors of getting your site on page 1 of Google. But then at the same time, they only work if your website meets the technical requirements of search engines. So it's very important for you to understand that whatever else you do, that will only work if your site is technically optimized, if it is built in such a way that falls under Google's guidelines, if it's mobile optimized, if it's user-friendly, and so on. So as you go through this week, as you go through all the videos, you'll understand, one, why it's important to have your site built in a certain way, what kind of website architecture you need to have, and two, you'll understand that when you follow those guidelines, when you follow those strategies, not only will it help you rank high, it will also help your site convert better, which means it'll produce more leads for you. So keep in mind, working on other strategies like keyword research, backlink building is important, but it doesn't start until you get your site technically optimized. It's really important. So as you go through this module, as you go through this week, make notes. Now, when you make those notes, as you go through these videos, you will see that there's a lot of strategies that you need to implement, but you would not know how to do that yourself because you may not be a web guy, right? You have not developed your website. And these are issues that are related to technical aspect of your website. So once you've made a list of things that you need to do, once you make a list of things that need to be done to your website, contact your web developer. If you're not in contact with him, find somebody who can do that for you. And if you don't know anyone personally who can do that for you, then refer my videos that talk about outsourcing and outsourcing these tasks using Freelancer or Upwork or any of those websites. Bottom line is, you need to make a list of things as you go through these videos of strategies, of changes that need to be done to your website, and then find somebody who can do that for you. Don't try to do it yourself. Even I can do those changes to my site if I want to. So make sure you find somebody who can do it for you. So let's get started. This is week 1. I'm excited to have you. And let's keep moving forward. Keep me posted and let me know if you ever hit a roadblock, and we'll help you continue to move forward. So I'll see you now in the next video.